Believe it or not, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom, believe it here with Supersize Your Business. Believe it or not is our idiom for today. We're doing mental well-being idioms for the month of March to coincide with the annual challenge, the BU 365-day challenge. Do one thing every day that improves us in some way, shape, or form. And we're talking about beliefs for the next couple of days. Today we talked about actually the different levels of belief, the different types of belief, your personal beliefs, your environmental beliefs, and then global beliefs. So my question for you today is, we'll talk about where this idiom came from, but what do you believe about your business? What do you believe about growing and supersizing your business? Do you believe it's hard? Do you believe it's easy? Do you believe there's a ton of competition, or you have no competition because you're doing something different and unique and special with your business? What do you believe about people, resources, the industry, the systems, the processes, the procedures you either do or do not have, how you do things in your organization, suppliers, supplies, etc., support, regulation, government regulation, rules and regulations, and things that impact your business? What are your current beliefs or feelings about and thoughts about these different topics as you're growing and building and supersizing your business? Well, believe it or not, this idiom, this expression has been around. It originated in the 1800s, but it was made very popular by Robert Ripley, who from 1918 to present, now he's passed away, but it still exists today. There's Ripley.com. And he did a cartoon series which became a franchise and became a physical franchise. I remember taking the kids to the Ripley's, believe it or not, in Florida when they were little, when we went down to Disney. And I think we've been to a couple of them. There's several around the country now, the U.S. anyway. I don't know if they're still open. I guess with COVID and everything, it's hard to know. But there's still on Ripley's.com the cartoon series, and there was one yesterday, so I would imagine it's maybe a daily or 5 days a week or once a week or whatever. But they're cartoons or short stories and in cartoon form with a sentence or two about things that are so outrageous that you can only describe them as believe it or not. It's so surprising that you're surprised that it's true. So I used Santa Claus because do you believe in Santa Claus or not? It's up to you. But these things are true even though they're surprising. So ironically, or as unlikely as it is to believe that something is true, or oddly enough, there's different ways of saying this, but believe it or not is a pretty good way of saying, hey, I got something to tell you that you're hardly going to believe, but it's absolutely true. Now, we're talking about beliefs in the annual challenge. And of course, beliefs are things that are true to us, but that doesn't mean that they're true universally or that they're actually true at all. They're just true to us. So believe it or not is a series of things that are fantastical, but absolutely true. So how do you use this to supersize and build your business? Well, you ask yourself, what is true for our business and what do we believe? Because the next thing I want you to do after you think about your beliefs about your business is compare that to the results that you're getting right now. And are the results that you're getting right now somehow tied, I guarantee that they are, to your current level of belief? If you think business is hard and a struggle and COVID has negatively impacted your business, guess what? Your business is hard, it's a struggle, and COVID has indeed impacted your results in your business in a negative way because of those beliefs. What if you looked at COVID as an opportunity to be creative and make changes and do fun things in your business that you never had the opportunity to do before because you were constrained by what was working in the past and you just kept doing more of what was working in the past? Wouldn't that give you different results than thinking that it's hard and a challenge or impossible? So that's our topic today. Believe it or not, share in the comments below something that you discovered by doing this exercise today so we can learn from one another. And I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting, probably belief related idiom, because we're doing belief for a couple of days in the challenge. But for the whole month, we're going to be doing mental well-being and mindset and topics around that for our Supersize Your Business. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, go take a look at your beliefs and see what's going on and if they match your results or not. See you tomorrow. Bye.